Hey kids, this is Luca here at the DeSoto Public Library outside, and we're doing curbside crafts. And this is actually the last curbside craft too. Hopefully y'all been following along, come to the library, pick up your curbside craft bag and remembering to read. You still got time to read, submit your points, log on, get that grand prize. And yeah, it's been great that y'all been here for this summer. Okay, so let's get started. Let's look at what we got. Okay, so in this week's curbside craft bag, here's what you're gonna get. You're gonna get a bag with cornstarch, film canister with some Kool-Aid in it. Ask your parents what a film canister is. Trust me, it'll be a throwback for them. And a little plastic spoon for mixing, and some Alka-Seltzer. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is get a bowl or a little plastic cup, just something, and you're going to want to put water and cornstarch in it, just like this, equal parts. So if you want to measure it out, you can. If you want to be like us and just guess it, you can do that too. It's more fun if you guess it. And
just gonna mix it all in together like that. Mix it in real good. Make sure it's not like lumpy, that everything mixed in together. You don't want lumps. Just like your pancakes, you don't want it lumpy. You don't want the batter to be lumpy anyways. Alright.
after that's done mixing, what you're going to do is grab your film canister, open it, take the cap off. Should be some Kool-Aid in there. This looks like cherry. And then gently pour it in there until it's about a third to halfway full. Grab your mixer thing again and mix it up real good until it's all blended and everything. Oops. Remember to clean up and to do this outside because it will get messy. Oh, and kids, by the way, today's home craft is a chalk rocket. You're going to see why in a minute. Then grab an Alka-Seltzer tablet, right? And break it in half. And then break the other half in half. And quickly, actually, no, we're going to put this on the ground. Alright, quickly, what you're going to want to do is put these in here, put the cap on, flip it over, then run away. So we're going to do that. Put these in here, put the cap on, flip it over, and run away. And yeah, like that. It should pop off like that. That was fun, wasn't it? That was crazy, right? Yeah, so like I said, it's a chalk rocket. It's really fun. And for the parents, it's just water and cornstarch. So you can wash it off real easy with some water. There goes something we did earlier. Just gonna pour some water in here and look, it's washing away. Parents, you can leave the cleanup up to kids. Singing a cleanup song. And yeah, just washing away. And yeah. Alright, that was our last curbside craft for the summer. Glad that y'all been with us, and hopefully you can come back to the library soon.